Vande Mataram, and a very good morning, my dear young ladies and gentlemen. I stand before you to talk about your school not just being about academics, but it is also a place where you forge lifelong relationships, friendships, learn valuable life lessons, and create memories that last a lifetime. Memories about that nationals that you and your team participated in under Manisha ma'am or maybe Jitendra sir's tutelage. Memories about sitting on the stairs and strumming a tune on your guitar during Founders Day practice for Anshuman sir. Memories about you and your friends pulling an all-nighter studying for the exam. Or even memories about working tirelessly for your art and yoga teachers. What about that friend who always got the best tiffin every single day? Sometimes it was also about being that angry young man and invariably getting caught because you got involved in a fight. These moments, both big and small, contribute to the rich tapestry of our school's experience. But tell me, why are these memories important? First, they shape who you are as individuals, the challenges that you face, the triumphs that you celebrate, all contribute to your personal growth and development. School is a microcosm of life, providing you with opportunities to learn resilience, empathy, and perseverance. Second, memories serve as a bridge to the past. Believe me, when you are my age, your school days will become cherished nostalgia, a source of comfort and joy during challenging times, and will always bring a smile to your face whenever you think about school days. Thirdly, memories foster a sense of belonging. Shared experiences create strong bonds between teachers, support staff, and most importantly, classmates and friends, forming the foundation of a supportive and inclusive school environment. After all, ये दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है. ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है. So, how can we ensure that we make the most of our time in school and create lasting memories? It starts with being present and actively engaging in school life. You must participate in extracurricular activities, attend all the school events, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Take the time to build meaningful relationships with your peers as well as your teachers. In conclusion, making memories in school is more than just a pastime. It is a fundamental aspect of your educational journey. So, let us embrace each day with enthusiasm and open hearts, for it is in these moments that we truly discover the magic of our school. Thank you so much.